Hi there, it's me here again. Just here to demonstrate yet again, well, another video I should say. I just want to show you guys how to create a roaming profile, right? The roaming profile is nice because in this way you can save documents, you can change your background, you can have your background settings, and save folders, you can save files in a particular machine, right? And if you go to another machine on that same domain, you will actually get access to your same files that you have created and saved and your folders and stuff like that, right? At any PC, at anywhere in the domain. Once it is on the domain that you have, you will be able to access your files and folders, and your desktop background is supposed to be the same. Here I'm going to go into administrative tools, Active Directory users and computers. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new user here. I'm going to do it from start, right? Go on new user, first name Ben, last name Ben Alright, the user login name gonna be Ben. Alright, hit next. Password, some simple. Alright, just uncheck that box, password never expires. Next and finish. Alright, then we're gonna go over to our C drive. You're gonna create a new folder, call it roaming. Right click, go on share. We're just gonna add everyone for now, right? You set the permission level to co-owner. Click on share. Alright, and that's done. Now we wanna right click on it again. Go into properties. Sharing. And we actually gonna save this network path here. Right? Because we have to use this in setting up our roaming profile. So you're just gonna go back into Active Directory users and computers here. Under our profile Ben Hu, go on properties, profile tab, and in the profile part you're just gonna paste this in here, right? And I go slash again, percentage, username, percentage sign, hit apply, and the username automatically comes up in the field. You can either go that way or you can just put in the username Ben, right? And I click on OK here, and that is actually done here. Alright, so now we're gonna go over to our client machines. As you can see, I have Windows 7 here and I have Windows Vista. I'm just gonna log in to the Windows 7 machine with our new Ben account. We're gonna switch user. We're just gonna log into the test domain, Ben, password 1. Alright, as you can see, our desktop is quite normal here, right? It's the first time logging in here. Alright, so I'm just gonna log off this machine here. and go over to my Windows Vista machine. I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna log in with the Ben account. Other user, log into the test domain, Ben, password 1, right? You're gonna take a little time here again. This is the first time logging in. Alright, here we can see that our Vista machine is logged in here. Alright, so what we're gonna do, since our Windows 7 machine is already logged off, I'm going to personalize this desktop here. I'm just going to use something that's common between the both windows. Right, so I'm just going to select a blue background. I'm going to create a new folder, call this test. I'm going to create a new text document, test1 or test21. Alright, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna actually log off this machine here and log into our Windows Vista machine under our same Ben username. Right, and what we will see, or should see I should say, is that our desktop background has been changed to what I just created, and our folders and files should be the same here. Alright, so with our Vista machine logged off, go back into our with our Ben username. Alright, so as you can see, our roaming profile is up and running. Right, with the best Ben username. So you see my desktop background has been changed. You see the folder that I created, test folder, is here, and our test21 text document is here as well. If you want, we can just go into the system properties here, advanced system settings, let's put in our password here. Alright, go into our desktop settings related to your logon, the user profiles, click on settings, and as you can see, let's look for our Ben. You can see all the profiles that have been roaming, that has been logged into this machine, right? So as you can see, we see our Ben user account on the test domain is actually roaming. You can see the status here is roaming, type is roaming. Alright, and if we go back to our Vista machine, you will actually see the same thing. Alright, so hope this was beneficial to you, and tune in for more of my videos. Thanks.